Hello, in this video you will learn how to buy stocks. To do this, you should go to the website fondbozori.uz, enter your username, password and choose an investment intermediary. In order to buy stocks, go to Trading and select Stock Order. Now you should enter the internal password. These are the last 4 digits of your passport number. And you will see how much money you have in your balance. For example, I want to buy stocks of Bank. Select Buy, click on Search button and enter either a ticker, which is the short name of the stock, or the stock code. Click on Find and double click on the stock. Here we see 2 glasses. The green one is the buyers and the red one is the sellers. You can buy stocks in 2 ways. You can buy stocks at a fixed price, that is buy from sellers, or you can set your own price and end up in a class of buyers. This column means for how much the seller sells his one stock. This one is the percentage change of the current price from the base price, and this column is how many stocks the seller wants to sell. For example, this seller wants to sell 1000 stocks for 14.69 sums each. This is the class of buyers. Here you set your own price. This column means for how much the buyer wants to buy one stock. This means how many stocks he wants to buy, and this is the percentage change of the current price and the base price. For example, this buyer wants to buy 150 stocks and pay 12.85 sums for each stock. Let's firstly buy a stock at our own price that we want to beat. For example, I want to buy 5 stocks of Bank for 12.86 sums. To do this, in price, I write for how much I want to buy a stock, and in quantity, I write how many stocks I want to buy. Click on Send Order and check. I am buying a stock on the G1 platform. Check the stock code and its name, quantity 5, price for 12.86 sums, and click on Order. As you can see, my application appeared on the buyer's glass. That means that the seller can now sell me 5 stocks for 12.86 each. Let's now take a look at the applications I have. So far, I have 1 application. These are the 5 stocks of Bank that haven't yet been sold to me. That means I don't have these 5 stocks yet because no one has sold them to me. Therefore, my 5 stocks are in unexecuted quantity. We were charged with money for the purchase of 5 stocks for 12.86 sums. If by the close of the market the seller doesn't sell me the stocks, then this money will be returned to my account. Now let's buy 1 stock from the seller at a fixed price. The lowest price is 14.69 sums, so let's buy 1 stock for this price. We click on the stock price 2 times, and in price the number 14.69 will appear automatically. Here we write how many stocks we want to buy from him and click on Send Order. Check, I'm buying 1 stock for 14.69 sums and click on Order. This seller was debited 1 stock. Now we're looking at the order status. Here we have our new stock which we bought for a fixed price. Please note that this stock is not in the unexecuted quantity but in the contract quantity, which means that our application has been executed and that now I have 1 stock of Bank for 14.96 sums. Before the market closed, I managed to buy 2 more stocks of Kombinat. As you can see in the unexecuted quantity column, I have zeros. This means that all my stocks have been executed and that now I have a total of 8 stocks. At the end of the video, let's see what stocks I have. I have 6 stocks of Bank. I bought 1 stock of Bank for a fixed price from sellers, and 5 stocks were sold to me for 12.86 sums by sellers. Also, I have 2 stocks of Kombinat for 93,005 sums, which were sold to me by the sellers.